The other things I would like to say about jawarih, about our body parts, that we have always to remember that everything you need to purify. When the heart is pure, we would like to do what? Purify the tongue, purify the hand. I cannot be a believer, someone who's really, their heart is full of iman and pure, and go and commit, for example, a physical abuse. How can a person, their heart become pure and their hand is not? A person cursing someone, calling them names. That's an indication of the heart is not pure completely, and whatever, even whatever in the heart, this tongue take away, the hands take away. Therefore, we like to have everything is in control, inshallah. Why also we can purify our heart? Being in the right place, with the right company. Sometimes our heart is clean, but we do what? We allow other people to put input on it, just like computers. They're telling us things, suggesting things. Whether shaitan of ins, human, or shaitan of jinn. They're very good in that. They don't see a pure heart, they don't keep it pure. They would like to bring all their trash and so forth. They would like to throw things. Have you seen a sign? When people say no trash, no things thrown in the street and so forth, what they put the sign? No what? What? No, what in today? When you go in the neighborhood or the lobby of a building, no what? No what? No littering. We should say in our heart, put it here, say to those people, no littering, please. Not allowed. Okay? Don't tell me any backbiting. I'm not going to take it. Don't tell me anything that, don't suggest anything to me, please. Don't tell me that you like to do this and that. Please, big sign. Can we do that? Maybe you should write it in big sign and put it here in our jacket, go to work, and say it here in the heart. This big heart association, buy one of them, those things, and we say that on it, and put it here. Because that's what would happen. Sometimes you go very good, you leave your home, and you go to the wrong place. You leave the place, and you know that somebody had really thrown things in this house. And you didn't do anything about it. You feel so bad. Therefore, we need to remove ourselves from a situation when you know that something is going to corrupt our heart. Because that's what is it, a disease. It gets to us. Unless our heart has strong light, you go to the dark area and you're lighting the other people. That's the good heart. But you don't receive any kind of thing that affect us. And Rasulullah have made a beautiful example of that. He said, a good companion, like someone sell perfume. You sit next to them, they give you a gift of perfume, you enjoy it, or you buy from them, like someone who sell perfume, or you get nice smell. You're just sitting, you got nice smell. Some people, you sit with them, sometimes people go to some people's home and say, excuse me, can I charge my cell phone in your house? You know that? The cell phone is down. They're sure. You plug your cell phone while you're having a conversation. You go, you leave the house, and the phone is what? Charged. Go to people where you go to their home and say, can I charge here? What do you charge in my heart? Plug in. Let us talk about something good. And you charge it during the visit, and you leave their heart is charged completely. Can receive things. We need to do that kind of things. Can you visualize these things? Charging things like that? We need to do most of that. The tahara of badan, of our body, It is one of the most important virtues of Islam also. And Islam has taught a lot about it. This aspect of tahara of the badan. Inshallah, after Maghrib, I will going to speak about the inner dimension of the tahara of the badan, of the body, and the connection of it with the tahara of the heart. How we can make that connection as we do it every day. Inshallah, as we learn the techniques, we can feel the difference. Every time we make wudu or make a ghusl, we inshallah will feel the purification of the heart. Jazakumullah khair.